learn about a time saving result which is applicable in MHT, CET, ZEE mains and in another entrance examination for engineering. Here the result is written as limit of x plus alpha divided by x plus beta to the power x plus k as x tending towards infinite. This is equal to e to the power alpha minus beta. If we realize the given fraction, since there are two terms in numerator and two terms are in denominator, in which first term is algebraic function and second one is constant function, and in denominator there is x which is algebraic function and second one is constant function, and at the power x plus k, here x is algebraic function and k is a constant function. Then the result is e to the power alpha minus beta. Here there is no terms of k, means the result is independent of parameter k. So if we write an example, limit of x plus 10 whole divided by x plus 5 to the power x plus 2 as x tending towards infinite. We have to find the result in maximum 5 seconds. So we have to compare the given question with our time saving result, as we have to find only two parameters. First one is alpha and second one is beta. Alpha is equal to and beta is equal to. Here x plus alpha and x plus 10. So alpha is equal to 10 and in denominator beta and 5. So beta is equal to 5. That is, our result is e to the power alpha minus beta. Alpha is 10 and beta is equal to 5. So the result is e to the power 5. Now we have to prove the time saving result as taking left hand side. Left hand side is limit of x plus alpha upon x plus beta to the power x plus k. X plus k. Our limit as x tending towards infinite. Here we know that limit of 1 plus 1 upon x as x tending towards infinite is equal to 1. Since limit of first function which is a constant is 1 and limit of second term which is 1 upon x is equal to 0, so the result is 1. And so for this we have to make first term 1 in numerator and first term which is x we have to make it 1 as limit of x plus alpha. Taking x as a common, we get 1 plus alpha divided by x in numerator, and taking x as a common in denominator, we get 1 plus beta divided by x, and our limit x tending towards infinite, and at the power when we take x as a common we get x into 1 plus k upon x. Now x and x get cancelled. We have to write as limit of 1 plus k, 1 plus alpha upon x and whole divided by 1 plus beta divided by x as limit x tending towards infinite, and to the power x into 1 plus k upon x. Since we know that limit of 1 plus 1 upon x as x tending towards infinite to the power x is equal to e. limit of 1 plus 1 upon x to the power x as x tending towards infinite is equal to e. So we have to apply this result here. For this, we have to make this is equal to limit of 1 plus alpha upon x to the power x whole divided by as x tending to infinite, limit 1 plus beta divided by x as x tending towards infinite to the power x and whole to the power 1 plus means limit of 1 plus k divided by x as x tending to infinite. Means limit of subtraction, multiplication, division of any function is equal to, here limit of division of two function is equal to limit of first means limit of numerator upon limit of denominator. To the power we can take limit of power also. So for result, limit of 1 plus 1 upon x to the power x as x tending towards limit is equal to e. We have to adjust here since power is only x and the second term is alpha upon x. We have to adjust means multiply and divide by alpha in numerator and denominator, and here beta upon x we have to adjust here multiply by beta and divide by beta. So here we can apply this result means limit of 1 plus alpha by x to the power x upon alpha means power should be the reciprocal of second term, and here limit of 1 plus beta upon x to the power x upon beta into beta. Here x upon beta is the reciprocal of second term of base is 1 plus beta upon x. So we can use our formula which is limit of 1 plus 1 upon x to the power x is equal to e. Here this term becomes e to the power alpha and divided by this term is also becomes e and the remaining term is beta e to the power beta, and at the power limit of 1 plus k upon x. Here limit of 1 plus 1 upon x as x tends to infinite is equal to 1. So at the power the result is 1. So we can write is e to the power alpha into e to the power minus beta, and this is equal to e to the power alpha minus beta. So on this way we can prove our result as limit of x plus alpha upon x plus beta as x tending to infinite to the power x plus k is equal to e to the power alpha minus beta. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.